The second line of the passage can give us the prediction that today people are suffering from the reality, but it is not so long ago when the country enjoyed harmony in everything, where reality is different. Contrast as choice A and polarity as choice B. Both mean the opposite of being harmonized, so they are eliminated. Besides, discord as choice C and friction as choice E mean the disagreement or lack of harmony, so they are also eliminated. Only semblance as choice D means a harmony in everything while reality is different. So choice D fits the blank to make sense. So the correct answer is choice D.